That is the main question. Okay, so yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait around. Been using your free content, but I'm missing something as I'm always so close to passing challenges, but then end up failing. So I decided to buy the course. Congratulations. It's my first day after purchasing the course. Looking forward to improving my trading skills with you. Thank you, Mabs, very much. I appreciate it. And I hope that you will enjoy the content we have in there. It's a very extensive content. There's a lot to do with risk management, a lot to do with trade management, a lot to do with, impulse entries. So it's, I think you're going to have a very fine few months. All right, back to this chat. What's happening over here? How do I get out of the gulag? Well, always watching you, but ain't got even $1 to start my journey. Well, then you got to make some dollars to put those dollars to work. My boy. Raja, NYSN session open at 9:30. Yes, it does. All right, I'm flying to the moon next week. Will Dominion Markets work? Sure. I see your old videos. You hold trades longer than 80, but now, yeah, I still hold them. I still have pips then. What can you do? Is Dominion Market available in Iran? Yes, Iran. If the 15-minute GJ closed above it, would you consider taking buy? I would not, because I don't trade pound yen. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I think it'll look good, but then again, you got ADP, so it's very difficult. So I wasn't, because we got ADP. Good interview. You also had Tony G on the same video. I don't know who Tony G is. We have the ambulance here as well, buddy boy. Buddy boy. Ambulance is also here. 20 grand. 20 grand. What about 20 grand? Yeah. So boring, right? Just doing nothing. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. Let's see over here. Let's see over here. We have President Trump speaking. Already happened. Moving down. ADP waiting to happen. They're looking at a higher number. Previous number was lower. So if they're looking for a higher number, gold may push down. And to be honest, I would think that the current presidency, they would want numbers to be higher, because if the numbers are higher, then they can say, oh wow, look at that, we came in and numbers are higher. So when will Dominion funding be available for Dubai residents? Very, very soon, because if the numbers are higher, then gold should push down, and if they think gold should push down, maybe this whole move up on gold was just a liquidity grab, was just like a giant liquidity grab for a drop later on for ADP, or drop later on for NFP or whatever. But like, that's what I'm thinking at this point. All right, let's see over here. How much leverage do you mean market provide? 1 to 100 leverage. And honestly, you don't need more than 1 to 100. 1 to 500 is on everything, but on indices and gold, it's 1 to 100. Can you help me pay for my tuition fee? No. What do you think about Friday NFP? I don't know. We'll have to see on Friday. Is it a good investment to buy property in Pakistan? No. Are you streaming NY session every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday? All right, let me get the battery on in this camera, and then I'll get some coffee, and then we shall continue on. Here we go. I believe gold will pull back heavy before breaking today's high and hitting 2,900 level today. Yeah, I mean, so far we're consolidating. We got ADP coming up. So yeah, we'll have to wait. You are noob. We love DVS, Wix, and Don't. We are awesome. Awesome. I'm the black sheep of my family, like your coat. Anyone more here in same situation? Yeah. Dominion, how much leverage Dominion funding? I think it's 1 to 50. I have a golden visa in Dubai. How much risk we take on $1,000 account? 1 to 2%. Risk management and your price action strategy, the one you teach in videos, is enough to be profitable? Yes. I'm buying, holding for 28.21. Oh, okay. What do you think? 2,900 possible today or dump? Honestly, I have no idea if 2,900 is possible or not. 2,900 is possible if we break above 28.77. And then we talk about 2,900. It's a flip of a coin. I have planned to invest. Can you help me? I'm not an investment advisor. How to deal with FOMO and letting trade run? Put stops at break even, secure 90% and leave the rest run. That's the best advice that I can give. But we got about 15 minutes left for ADP. 15 minutes left. You know what I would do? Buy stops and sell stops. Kesser is good. Yes, it possibly could help you. Maybe I will use buy stops, sell stops for ADP. Maybe that would be the case. A big maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, please help my tuition. No thanks. Now the guy went down from 1,500 to 500. First he asked for 1,500, now he asked for 500. Dominion funding available, only one brokerage. Yes, Dominion Markets. What about that new MFU lecture you mentioned during the simulation session? Is it coming? Which one? Was it about impulse entries? I think so, right? I think so. I'll have to check. Can't pass the challenge account. Any tips? Get education. Is it okay to back test and live test? It's okay to live test. Back testing through a simulator, yeah, it's going to be great. But live testing is also good. I made $1,000 this week, only doing 1 to 2 trades using without joining them if you're learning from your... Oh, very nice, Dragos. Very, very nice. $1,000 so far this week. Keep that safe. Jints is still going strong. Look at that. Jints is now creating some market structure. So if people buy at this price, 0.00010, price will break above resistance and continue to push up. And then some people will sell over there and price will come down. And then buy up, down, up, down, up, down. But I think it can continue to push further up and further up and further up. Market cap is $100,000. Not bad. We're trying to see if we can verify this on Dex Screener, but yeah. Interesting experiment. Did you know we can backtest strategy with 10 period with ChatGPT for free? Oh, I did not know that. Why gold is moving up so quick? Already discussed that in the beginning due to the fear in the markets now due to trade tariffs and stuff like that. Which broker would you like me to continue with? I'm currently using Fusion Market. Most of my friends are saying that some brokers can put fake candles. Have no idea how it works. I'm currently in. Fusion Markets, sure. But give Dominion Markets a try. This is our platform. Dominion Markets, you got the charts, everything. Your spreads are here. All your stats are here. You have a built-in journal from the left-hand side. You have a built-in journal, you know, and there's no such thing as brokers printing fake candles. It doesn't really happen. You know, you got your calendar here, all news. So it's a pretty good platform. Pretty good platform. You get your all. The one thing I love about this platform is trade history, right? Let's take a look at this. Let's say I look at some random trade. Let's say I look at some random trade right over here, right? I double click this and you get all this information on your trade. All this stuff you get on your trade. You can open your order details. You can open your position details. So there's no fake candles happening over here because you have all the information you need. With, I think, other platforms, you don't get to see this information in detail. You have to go into the logs and look at stuff that way. But here, it's readily available for you. Oh, nice. Very nice. ChatGPT can make an algo. I'll have to take a look at that. Which is the best website for backtesting for free? There's no such thing good for free. Local strategy available. Illegal broker don't know how to use that kind of sentence to make brokers like 1,000. I use Lock 30x strategy. Who the hell is this? Spamming Lock 30x strategy. Hide user on this channel. What do you do? The one thing CTrader needs is a simulator. That's what CTrader really needs. And I think it's about time I let CTrader know about this again. Where is this? Okay, let's see here. Should we buy a CRM company? That's what I was thinking. What does ADP mean? ADP, okay, let me get you the... So in simple terms, so I'm going to explain it based on the terms stipulated over here. And then I will explain to you, okay, fuck it. So in simple terms, what it means is the amount of paychecks given out to people. That's what it means, because ADP is the biggest salary processor in the US, you know, so those numbers are based on that. Like how many salaries did they process in a certain week, certain month? MagicKeys is already programmed to secure 90% with touch of a button. Yes, sir. How come you have so many losses in a row? Oh, no. These are just filtered by all losses. If I go to closing time, yeah. So now we have proper dates. So the first trade on this account was a $15,000 loss. Imagine. First trade you take and it's a $15,000 loss. You're like, ah, shit. We're off to a great start, I guess. So yeah, I did almost $1 million on this account. 158 pips. Yeah, I think this was news. Was it news? Yeah, I think it was. Oh yeah, it was news right here. Look at that. This was news. This was news. So yeah, we'll see. Doing markets? No, we are fully licensed and we're almost close to getting regulated by the FSC. Almost. I think that day was with your nephew, yeah. ADP main gold. Oh, okay. Someone thinks gold is going to sell off with ADP. We all don't know that. Okay, let's see over here. 100 pips on gold is easy. Well, if it was easy, 100 pips on gold, everyone would get 100 pips on gold, buddy. Not showing as restricted on Dominion funding. Yeah, I think it should be restricted. It should be restricted. Yeah, I just sent a message to our tech there. You did lose that much. Please invest in my education. No. I've been shorting gold since yesterday from 28.40. Uh-oh. If I deposit money from my bank account into Dominion Markets, am I able to withdraw my profits into my crypto wallet, or does it have to be withdrawn into my bank account again? If I deposit money into my Dominion Markets, am I able to withdraw profits in my crypto wallet? It have to be withdrawn. No, it has to be withdrawn to your bank account. Uh-oh. Can I trade crypto with Dominion Markets on the weekend? Yes, you can. Do you guys have any plans to withdraw straight to Dominion funding to the bank accounts? Yes, we do have plans. We're just waiting for this one big license we applied for, and as soon as we get it, I think more options will open up. Why is this guy calling me over here? Okay, 6 minutes left. Let me turn on some lights here now. Buddy boy. All right. Have you seen in Japan you can rent the carts to do the tourist drive race? Soon Win will open up a casino in Dubai and no more news trading for Raja. Yeah, that's true. I'm just going to be sitting right there gambling. Yeah, no more news trading then. What pair is this in time frame? This is the 15-minute time frame gold waiting for ADP. Doing funding only gives the 1-50 leverage offer. Is that because of my region? Is that the standard leverage? That's the standard leverage prop firms have for clients. 1-50. Does Dominion Broker is A book or B book? There's no such thing as A book. Everyone runs a hybrid model, so that's what we have. It's a hybrid model. How do I add pips count to my C trade? Like yours, see your last column, you right click, and then you see all these things, and you can choose whatever you want. Let's take a look at this chart by Deepak. Deepak sent a chart. What's this? How was this buy, sir? As there was not much range to the left. Is this good setup while seeing this first resistance? Yeah, this is a good trade. That's a good trade because basically candle broke above this high and then went into this area of minor resistance to push up. 30-minute time frame. Beautiful. Whoever got trades today, buys on gold, man, you did really, really, really well. And whoever let it run, you did really well. This is like once in 3-month opportunity that gold gives us. What is the service email to get using and password Market Fluidity? Nothing. You just sign up to Market Fluidity University. Please tell about Lock 30X. Man, shut the fuck up. Who is this Lock 30X? How can I convince you I need that tuition like for real? You cannot convince me that you need money. You cannot convince me that I will give money to some random guy on the internet who first said that he needs $1,500 for education, and then he said, oh, I need $500 for education. No. Do a $20 to $50,000 challenge, please. No. What news you consider for Forex and gold, and how do you interpret it? I don't try to interpret news, but with what happening now is that is Dominion Markets open to Canadian residents? You can check that. I think so. How come you closed some trades that... No, these were break-even trades. These were break even. That's what happened. So current month, $30,000 up now, current month. Raja, tell us your edge. I know it now. Okay, I'll tell you my edge. Just have to wait. Oh, so what I'm going to do is buy stops and yeah, you know what? I have a feeling. I don't have a feeling, but yo guys, listen. If you guys have seen this before, so this is a 30-minute time frame, right? So I'm taking a sell over here. Look at this candle. Look at this candle right here. Haven't we seen this type of candle? When this candle forms, then the next candle just comes up and fills this and continues. Just these two candles. Let me zoom in here more. Just these two candles. So yeah, I'm gonna bet like $4,000 on this. Yeah, fuck it. I'll bet $4,000 on it. How often do you withdraw? How, like in consolidation? No, not in consolidation, but just in general. This candle, like if you've seen it, you've seen it. If you've seen it, you've seen it. So yeah, market is still in a buy. Well, welcome to Raja Casino. This is why it's called the casino. What am I betting over here? $4,300 I'm betting over here. All right. We got 1 full minute left. Like if I use 4,300, if I lose, whatever, it's fine. I'm up 30,000, so you know we'll try to make it back on NFP. I just deposited on Dominion Markets. I clicked on C-Trade, but I'm not seeing any chart. How do I proceed? How do you proceed to see a chart on C-Trader? Try YouTube, something like that. You know. But you'll get it. Don't worry. You'll get it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I just hope that stop loss doesn't stop me out. The spread doesn't stop me out. You know, that's my only concern. Ooh, look at that spread. Look at that spread. Look at that spread. Wow. Okay, yeah, we filled this wick. We filled that wick. You know. Yeah, I'll close. I don't want to play around with this more. But yeah, this is something that I've seen. You know, but to be fair, we did fill that wick. You know. So I mean, all right. So what was the news? I mean, if we do this, it continues to fall, fill this wick. I think that idea is correct. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is nothing. Yeah, I think that observation that I've had is solid, right? Ah, look at that. Oh, higher number. Okay, yeah, gold should continue to push down. Yeah, I think that observation was correct. I've had, right? Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so this candle pattern, I've seen this happen like on 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. And I think when we were retracing, I guess we just needed some volume to continue to push price down. You know, so I think I also believe that if we break below 2864, we can continue to push down, you know. So can you explain the pattern again? Brother, I really have to go because it's going to get busy outside, so I have to get home. But you can watch the recording. It's going to be on YouTube soon. Well, after the stream ends, it's going to be on YouTube. But anyway, I'm going to head off, guys. Take care. Yeah, this was actually very insightful. But I'm going to see you guys for NFP. How many pips did you get? I got, what, 4 pips? Made $500? Yeah, 4 pips I got. You know, whatever. In my broker, I don't see the wicks in gap. What wick? Oh, this right over here? Happens. People use different liquidity providers. But anyway, take care. We'll see you guys on Friday. Adios, amigos.